like Alpharetta a lot. This is definitely a place you come to live. It's really accessible. There's tons of shopping centers. There's several parks. There's a lot of free community events. Like, they put stuff together for the community. You have Singo, you have live music on the rooftop bars, you have free yoga in the courtyards. We were feeling a little snacky when we first arrived, and we were lucky that Lauren had family in the area as locals, and they recommended this Kale Me Crazy place.
These are so good. I got a super matcha. What'd you get?
The green dream. This is what dreams are made of.
I had heard Alpharetta was beautiful, so we just did a little walking tour where we saw lots of outdoor eating areas, super clean streets, pretty buildings, fountains. When I tell you they keep the streets and the public places here clean, they were pristine. There are lots of little boutiques and unique shops along the streets downtown, and you can pop in a few places for snacks and smoothies. One of the neatest places we visited was called Up on the Roof. It's a bar and eatery up on the rooftop, and it gives you great views of the downtown Alpharetta area. We'd walked up an appetite at this point, so we headed to Firebird. I don't know what they put on this cauliflower, but it is magical. We absolutely devoured it. This is a great brunch and mimosa or martini spot. They do have a full bar. They also have this double black diamond martini, which is basically a pineapple martini, and it was so good. We're going shopping. We are at Avalon, and the first place we're going is Altered State. This is one of my absolute favorite stores, and they're never around where I live, so when I find one, I stop in 10 out of 10 times. Avalon is gorgeous. If you're looking for upscale shopping or just some things to do, like for example, they organize yoga on the courtyard, this is the place for you to do that. We also saw a group of moms getting together in the courtyard just to let their kids play. This is a really safe, clean area. If you just want to get out and walk, this is a good place for that too. For our last night in Alpharetta, we wanted a good dinner, and we went to this Italian place where the food was amazing, and for the life of me, I cannot remember what the name of it was. I am so sorry, but the food was so good, we only had one to-go box to take home. Our first order of business is coffee, so we're at TBB. It was a local recommendation. It's so cute outside. The inside was equally as aesthetic, but I think my favorite thing was this huge bar of baked goods. We got seated pretty quickly, and we're really excited about the menu because it wasn't anything heavy that would upset our stomach. We split a chocolate croissant from the bakery and then also got main courses of our own. This is the best place we've eaten so far. We're just sitting here so quiet, enjoying our food. I got the mushroom toast. If you like mushrooms and you are in the Alpharetta area, these mushrooms are so good. After breakfast, it was time to head to our next destination, but here are a few more thoughts. Really easy to get around. Like, driving here, I was not that nervous. There's a little bit of rush hour traffic, but it's not bad at all. Like, not once was I stressed sitting in traffic. And the streets are clean. Everything here is beautiful. It's greenery, it's trees, it's flowers, it's springtime. The weather is gorgeous. We had a little bit of rain, but I'm still loving it. Our next stop is Athens, Georgia, and I cannot wait to show Lauren around the town where I had the best college experience. Go Dogs!